What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day as always. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you guys go ahead and do so. Today we're installing some headlights on my Jeep WJ. You guys have been seeing a lot of videos about the WJ. Finally getting caught up on content, and it's time to make this thing look better. All our previous mods have just been like lift, all that kind of stuff. Performance-based mods basically, and the Jeep is a little ugly if I'm going to be honest with you. So I went ahead and I picked up some new headlights for the Jeep. So the plan is we're going to go ahead and get these installed. I actually have some custom factors I'll be adding into this headlight in the future. For now though, I'm ready to get those junk ugly stock headlights out and get these installed. These are going to look sick on the Jeep, so I'm excited to see how they turn out. Let's go ahead and head outside of the Jeep and we'll get them installed. So once you have your hood open, the first step is going to be removing the 7mm bolts on top of the headlights, and that's basically all besides some like push mounts that hold them in. So that's all stopping us from installing some new ones. Let's go ahead and remove those. Now that the headlight's out, we can go ahead and get rid of these. I'm actually going to be making a video on restoring these headlights since they're super rough. Might throw them in the black Grand Cherokee once we get that moving again. But for now, we're going to go ahead and install our new headlights. You guys can see the difference. These look so much better than the other ones. So let me go ahead and walk you guys through how to install them and everything like that. With one headlight in, you guys can see how much better these look. And here's like the wiring. So you have to unplug one of the lights on the harness. You just take it out. My recommendation for doing this would be getting just a small flathead screwdriver, putting it behind those prongs, and then prying it up. Pops off pretty easy. So you have to unplug that. Then you just screw in your other ones. Then down here, you'll have one bulb that you have to pop out. So you'll have to pop out this small bulb. Super easy. You just really just pull it out. It's super simple. And you plug that wire in. Now you want the red side of that wire to be lined up with the black and purple wire. That'll be your positive side. The other bulbs you just screw back in. Then to put it back together, there's the push mounts, and then you just have the bolt up top. You guys can already see how much better this side looks than this side. So I'm gonna go ahead, swap out the other side. Super simple. We just have to remove the one bolt up top, right under here, the 7mm bolt. The long one like this that holds the headlight in place. Pop that out, switch the wiring around, get them set up. So I'll show you guys this when it's a little darker so you can see the headlight. Alright guys, so we got both headlights installed. I think they actually look really good on this. Like I said, later I'll give you guys a view when it's a little bit darker out so you guys can see how bright these DRLs are and everything like that. But super pumped with how these turned out. They do actually make a matching set of taillights, so let me know what you guys think. Should we get the matching taillights? I'm down to get it. I think it would be a good touch for the back of the Jeep. Probably wouldn't be for a little while until I get the front ones all done. Like I said, we're going to refurbish these, get these all set up for the black Grand Cherokee. This Jeep's actually not too far from running. It was never really broke. I just kind of stopped working on it after taking it apart. Pretty common problem with me, but let me know what you guys think. Should we get the matching rear tail lights? I think it would look sick. They make a pretty similar set for them, but these look really cool. I'll show you them at night when it gets a little bit darker so you can see how bright these DRLs are. Alright guys, so it's a little bit darker now and you guys can see just how bright these DRLs are. That was kind of my main thing that I wanted with these headlights, was DRLs that stood out. The problem with a lot of aftermarket ones is they're pretty dim. These actually are really bright, just like OEM ones are in newer cars. So super pleased with how these came out. So like I said, we'll be refurbishing these. But for now, these definitely look way better than the factory ones. Next up, I do have to go find the grill at the junkyard. This one's kind of junk. Someone painted it and it's just flaking off. But let me know what you guys think. Should we get the matching rear taillights for these? These things are super bright, so if the taillights, reverse lights, or anything like this, they would be sick. These look really good in my opinion. Like I did say though, I do have some custom modifications I'm going to be doing to these headlights just to make them a little bit more unique, one of one. And I think they're going to turn out sick. It'll be really cool at events what I'm going to do with these headlights, but that won't be for a little while. Got a couple other things to wrap up. Want to take the Jeep wheeling a couple times, refurbish the old headlights, possibly buy the matching rear taillights. Let me know what you guys think. Yes, no, maybe. Drop it down in the comments. As always, guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.